What's up? Hello. Good afternoon sa tanan. So, time check. It's 2:41 in the afternoon. So, today we'll be traveling back to Davao City. It's Saturday, December the 13th. So, traveling back to Davao City because we're gonna attend at Christmas party. We're not actually in a rush to travel back. Wala naman po nila in buhaton today except for maybe siguro maglanders later or SNR or what. But right now I'm just waiting for Jory to finish taking a bath. But first, let me show you the chaos. So samo kay karon because of course pagawas na mi so gipagawas na mo tanan iring. So they're all here running around. So, ano pa nahulog? Let me pick this up. Okay. So yeah, definitely it's their happy time because every time mo balik ko og pa Davao or pag wala ko diri, they have the liberty to run around the room. But pag naa ako, nalanggi sila sa cages because I'm allergic to cats. So, yeah, just tanawan ni sila. See, this is Sola. Sola is the black Persian. This is my favorite boy, si Fifi. Gipagupitan na mo siya. Kaya para makagawas-gawas siya. This is the firstborn. Mama's favorite, si Momo. That is the cutest girl, Luna. And we have Ashi. That's Fifi's son. So actually, si Sola, si Luna, where's Kahel? Kahel is the orange cat. It's not here, but nasa here sa ilalim sa bed. But si Kahel, so si Ashi, si Luna, si Sola, si Kahel, anak sila tanan ni Fifi. Kay Shadow. So Shadow passed away last July. Sayang because Shadow was actually really sweet. She was the turquoise colored Persian. So sayang kayo, she got sick and she passed away after her ligation. So sad. It was very sad. So now we have these guys running around. All right. So, we'll finish prepare and then we're gonna go to Davao.
Ay, ready na po. Tayo, inject mo po.
Okay.
My earring.
It's 3:21, so we're about to go now. So, scent of the day is oneself. So, nag-spray na ako ganina. Ako nag-spray sa room because of the cats. But we'll be heading out in a bit. Right, see you.
Bye-bye!
3:49. So, gidrop na mo si Coco is sa land bank. So, we are arrive sa Mikada Lake. Drive-through lang.
Good afternoon. Johnson High Drive to...
Hi, good afternoon. Isa ka iced grande white chocolate mocha, 3 pumps of white chocolate, extra shot of espresso, and no whip.
Sorry, sir. Free matcha po, no?
Grande, white chocolate.
White chocolate mocha, additional shot.
Grande white chocolate, 3 pumps white chocolate mocha, extra shot of espresso, and no whip.
Alright. Anything else?
Mango dragon fruit.
Just one drink.
Wait lang. Mango dragon fruit.
Tall lang.
Isang tall na mango dragon fruit with lemonade. With pomegranate ka? Oo. Yun lang.
Alright, if you have total of 425 chocolate sticker.
Oo. Hello. Yes, so.
Nagkakolect ng stickers?
Oo.
Saan sir? Sa app na din?
Apo.
Sir. Nakakolet sir ha?
Sige, wait lang. So, time check. We 5:17 in Malalag. Next stop, Gihingba. Basta pa dito arrive based sa Waze. We're expected to arrive sa Landers 7:20. So hopefully accurate ang time, dili may ma-stuck sa traffic. Ano lang, takbong chill lang, takbong pogi lang ta. Kay para dili ma-stress si Cookie. Cookie is the name of our car de ay. Kay mura siya Oreo. Pero nawa ang view. Diretso may Landers pag abot sa may mga pitog balay. Landers na may diretso.
Stuck ako dito, Gmall. Pauwi na ako next.
Nag-ano siya? Meet naman si Kakay. For dinner lang real quick. Wala man kayo ganap tonight. Okay, tomorrow pa ang Christmas party.
No, nandyan pa rin yan. Nandyan din yan. Nandyan na yan yung ano. Ay,
Dong.
ayun ba yun?
Uy, wala siya gikuan. Damn, luya niya eh. Lagi siya kadaplin. Naon tayo empty spot diyo. Wala siya kadaplin. Yes. Update you next. Again, estimated time maabot mo sa Landers is 7:20 based on Waze sa Digos sa ilahang bypass road na sir tawag yapon na. We only have as per Waze 2 hours pa because ang Davao grabe ka traffic. Grabe ka traffic sa Davao ron as per kay Kakay kay zombie apocalypse daw. So hopefully dili na mo increase ang kuan kini saka na pod ang ETA na to 7:46 primero 7:21 siya so nidagdag og 20 more so mangi-isa mi guys kay on na
Ay, may 7-Eleven.
yang so we will pee here sa Shell asa ang CR nila see amoy mo. Perfect. Well, sa outskirts sa Digos. So, let me see. Alright. Kaya magkita. Kaya dapat ganun sa may intersection. Sa left side kung gikan mo Davao. So, kay on pod ko. Of course, nangapi man. Time karon mas mo samot og kataas. Show you. Ano siya kataas kay traffic kayo ang Davao. So, karon it's now 7:51 namang ETA. Of course, may increase pa na kaya pa may naglarga. But hopefully by the time moabot mi sa Davao, medyo mo luwag na ang traffic. So, mga 8 na siya. I don't know, it's rush hour, it's December. So, given gid na ing ani ang situation si Kakay pud gani kay nagliso daw siya sakay pauli sa ilahang apartment para gid na ba sa December ginoon sa Davao kay medyo taas-taas gid kayo ang biyahe labi na nag-commute ka nagliso gid kag sakay masking taxi, grab, jeep, bus or whatever because definitely it's rush hour man jud rush hour pa karon 5 in the, mga 3 onwards, 3 p.m. onwards rush hour. Checkpoint na mi. Davao checkpoint, lampas na. It's 6:38. So medyo ni hapsay na ang ano, traffic I think kay nibaba man namang oras of 7:41. among ETA sa Landers, pero i-change pa na kay sundoon na naman sa Kakay diretsong traffic na 2 ways. So maabot na kay Kakay mga 7:46 na makaabot kay Kakay. Landers. So mag-wait sa may mga pila pa ka minutes para maka cool down ng car. 51. Ay, lock ito. 9 p.m. bago namin nahuman sa Landers. So si Jar is still she's filling out the raffle for me, and I'll pick her up sa may entrance para dili na kay layo og baktason when it comes to like getting the goods. So after this, we're gonna have dinner siguro sa kusina ni Clint lang, mga few 24-hour diners dere kay sakit sa diyang ulo. Nang dili man gud mo sakit ang ulo kay sige dili man gid matulog kay sige kabuang nga nang iyang pet pals, so not sleeping. Pero not just because I'm not a gamer. Kay nang dili gid ako mag-get some point na dili ka makatulog. Isa una masking na-addict man ko at some point game like Skyblade before. Malingaw mag-igot ang Skyblade, but siguro wag ko kaabot sa point na wala ko nakatulog. Kato gani na time gani ata is much better kay medyo bata-bata pa. So ang pagpuyat-puyat is nope. So we are now heading to kusina ni sa may Ecoland Terminal Clint. So quick car. Sizzling beef, sipata, and dinakdakan. Eating. Now I bring home 10:30 in the evening. So I'm back home after I think maybe a month in Jensen. This is getting work from home. You get to be anywhere you want to be. So, but I miss the house. Missed my shoes. And I missed my room. So, I think we're gonna go ahead and sleep and rest. Kaya ang isa sakit yung ulo because of course wala siya tulog-tulog. May tungkol sa yung dula, but we're gonna go ahead and get some rest na. So good night. Thanks for watching.